What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I've come up with another video code from Memegirls YouTube channel. So today's video title is how to accept yourself and still make changes. So after you watch the video, you come back to this page and you enter the code. So today's codes are P E G G E D. So you go ahead and click check. You wait for it to respond. Might take a couple of minutes. So as you can see, guys, we get the code correctly. So that's for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So see you in the next video.